Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher, how to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is a Lorna Simpson collage, and the objective is to use your storytelling skills and your artistic creativity to create your own collage. Now, to do this activity, you will need a template of instructions and materials from littlebinsforlittlehands.com. You will need a picture that you want to work with. You will need some printed words to describe that picture, some glue or paste, some scissors, and a canvas to work on. This can be a simple piece of white paper, it could be cardboard, it could be a poster, whatever you would like. First step, assemble all your materials. Think about a picture that you would like to use in your collage. This could be a printed picture from a magazine, it could be something you found on the internet and then print out. Now, once you have the picture, think about some words you would like to describe that picture and tell a story about it. This could be very simple for a young child, just a few words, or it could be a little bit more complex for an older student. Now, once you print out those words that you want to use, you're going to cut out the words. You're going to make sure you cut out all of those words. You're going to have your picture, so you have already printed it and cut it out. The next step is to arrange all of those words and your pictures in a interesting design. And the last step is to glue the pieces to your canvas. Now, here is a Lorna Simpson collage, a simple one. The subject was a cat. The words to describe: black, cute, sweet. And this would be a very simple one for a young child. Again, an older child would come up with more complex storytelling words. You can repeat this activity over and over again whenever the mood strikes you to express your creativity. Hope you had fun with this little activity. Please hit subscribe to get new teaching videos in all different subjects every Friday. And for other educational inspiration and education, check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Till next time, goodbye.